Let's say after a practical class and you have this table, an instruction says plot a graph of M on the vertical axis and theta 1 on the horizontal axis. This is the vertical axis, while this is the horizontal axis. So first of all, you draw the axis. Place an arrow here and write M in brackets gram. Then you draw the horizontal axis. And you put an arrow here. And the next is to choose a scale. To choose a scale, we consider the lowest number and the highest number. The lowest number here is 10.00 and the highest number is 50.00. Remember, we choose our scale so that the plotting can cover 1/3 of the graph sheet. So let's start with here. If here is 10, then here will be 20, here 30, 40, and 50. Then we now come over to the horizontal axis. The highest number is 10 and the lowest number is 2. Okay, so let's call here 2, and here 4, and here 6, 8, and finally 10. So we can quickly find our point. We are plotting a graph of 10 against 2. Here is 10, while here is 2. So here is the point of intersection. We mark asterisk. Then the next is 20 gram against 4. So we look for 20. Here is 20, while here is 4. So this is the point of intersection. Mark good. 30 gram against 6. So here is 30. We'll mark asterisk here. 40 against 8. So this is 40, while this is 8. And this is the point of intersection. 50 against 10. Here is 50. And here is 10. As you can see, the points are widely spread and it covers 1/3 of the graph sheet. So the next thing is to draw a line of best fit, which is simply a straight line that passes through at least 2 or 3. So we go. And this is my line of best fit. With the line of best fit, we can be able to calculate slope. And to calculate slope, you draw a big right angle triangle that covers 1/3 of the graph sheet. So this is the big right angle triangle. So you come over here and write change in theta 1, while you come over here and write change in mass. So to find slope, we write our slope will be equal to change in m over change in theta 1. So we look for the corresponding values. Here is 40, so I'll write 40 here, minus, well, here is 10, so I'll write 10, all over, here is 8, so I'll write 8 minus, y here is 2, I'll write 2, 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 over 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5.0. 0. So the slope of this graph is equal to 5.00. Follow me for more videos on practical physics. Bye.